and welcome to Happily Home Cooking, where we share our family's favorite recipes with you. Today's video is actually two recipes in one. We'll be preparing some shrimp with a homemade taco seasoning along with a creamy avocado sauce. And we'll use both of these elements in two separate recipes, both prepared on our Blackstone Griddle. First, we'll be preparing some simple shrimp tacos, and second, we'll be making shrimp pita pizzas. Both are quick and easy to make and delicious drizzled in our avocado cream sauce. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel for this and all of our other family favorite recipes, and make sure you turn on notifications so you know when we come out with more delicious goodness. Now stick around for our prep once and eat twice video for shrimp tacos and shrimp pita pizzas. First thing we'll do is mix up a quick homemade taco seasoning. We'll combine 1/4 cup of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 tablespoon of paprika. Shake those all up in a jar and you'll have plenty of taco seasoning for both of these recipes and the next time you make tacos. Next thing we'll prep is our avocado cream sauce. This is a great versatile sauce that you'll enjoy on both of these recipes and more. So in a blender we'll start with 1 avocado, 1/2 cup of salsa verde, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, fresh or bottled will work, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried cilantro. Of course, if you have fresh cilantro, that's even better. You can throw in a handful of that instead. Pop on the lid and we'll blend this all up for about 10 to 15 seconds. Scrape down the sides. And turn it back on for another 10 to 15 seconds until it's nice and smooth. Transfer it to a squeeze bottle and set it aside in the fridge. Now the other thing that we'll prep once and enjoy in both of our recipes is our shrimp. We're using 2 pounds of peeled shrimp, and we'll add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, a heaping tablespoon of our homemade taco seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of our dried cilantro. We'll toss those all together to combine and let them sit and marinate for just a few minutes while we get our tortillas warmed up. Now out on our Blackstone Griddle, we've heated it to a medium-high heat. I'm going to add a bit of avocado oil to lightly grease the surface. And I'll throw down some corn tortillas just for a few seconds to warm them on each side. And then for easy assembly, I'm going to transfer my tortillas into my Blackstone taco holder. I really love these. They make assembling my tacos so easy, and it makes it great to keep the tortillas warm over the griddle while we're preparing the rest of our filling. Now I'm going to take these off and set them aside for just a minute while we're getting our raw shrimp going. We'll just arrange these in a single layer on our griddle. Flipping them over after a minute or two to cook on the other side. Then I'll bring my tortillas back onto the griddle to help keep them warm. I've turned that far right burner all the way off actually, so it's just some residual heat keeping those tortillas warmed up. Then once our shrimp is all cooked through, we're ready to fill our tortillas. I have some nice big shrimp here today, so I'm just putting 2 into each of our taco shells. And then whatever shrimp I don't fit into our tortillas, I'm going to set aside and save for our pita pizzas tomorrow. Now we'll top our shrimp tacos with some of our avocado cream sauce. Some shredded lettuce. Some fresh cilantro if you have it. And another good squirt of our creamy avocado sauce. So simple, but so good. I like to serve these with our healthy Mexican quinoa, which I will put a link to that video in the description. Next up is our second recipe for our shrimp pita pizzas. These make a great quick lunch the next day. They're super easy to throw together with our shrimp and avocado cream sauce that we already made the day before. I have my griddle warming up on low, and we'll start again by giving our griddle top a light coating with some avocado oil. I've chopped up our leftover shrimp from the night before. We'll just toss that on to start warming. And I'll throw on some pita bread. These Pita Greek pita flatbreads are our favorite. They're soft and fluffy and get a great crust on the griddle. We'll brush them with some chili oil. How much you use of all of these ingredients is completely up to you. If you're not a fan of chili oil, ranch dressing also makes a great sauce for these pita pizzas. Now we'll top them with some cheese. I'm using Gouda cheese today. Fontina is also one of our favorites, but use whatever cheese you like. Then we'll top that with our shrimp. Some sun-dried tomatoes. And a sprinkling of green onions. Then we'll close the lid to help our cheese melt, and we'll let our pizzas get all warm and crispy. Now we're almost there. We're going to remove them from our griddle. And top them with our homemade avocado cream sauce. And lunch is served. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed our Prep Once, Eat Twice video for our shrimp tacos and pita pizzas. For more easy home-cooked recipes like these, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Have a wonderful day and happy home cooking!